Hi, Year 11, first week of the new half term, and it's quite positive messages today. We're going to focus a little bit on the school reopening and what we know about that. So hopefully from what you have seen and read in the last few days, you will have seen that all schools are to reopen on the 8th of March. As yet, as always, the final details of that haven't been fully disclosed to us, but it looks like that face-to-face teaching will be able to resume at some point that week. The guidance that we've got in the moment is that it is strongly advised that COVID tests are taken in school in that first week. So they are suggesting that each student will take 3 COVID tests, and then that testing will continue at home after those first 3 have been done. This is something that you and your family need to make a decision on. But I think it's a way of ensuring that we can remain in school and that transmissions remain low by keeping up those weekly tests. But as I say, that's a decision for you and your family. The other big thing or big change that we've come across is that in now seeing it's compulsory to wear masks in the classroom. That will be quite a big change for all of us, but I think it's something that we can live with in the short term to make sure that that return to school is positive and is what we need to make sure that we can stay open. So your assessment period is now underway, and with this announcement, that the positive is that the vast majority of that can now take place in classrooms with your teachers. I think the key thing for me at the moment is using this next few days before we reopen to prepare yourself fully to come back. That might be actually physically with work, and I know for some of you that might be sort of mentally getting yourself prepared to come back into school, breaking the routines that you've established and getting yourself back into a position where you can really kind of work hard. Sixth form applications are going really well. I've had lots and lots of reference requests from you, which I'm more than happy to do, and it really kind of shows me how well you want to do. For me, the key at this point is that by now you should really have at least one application in to a college or a sixth form. As I say, we expect the vast majority of you to stay with us and join Bill's sixth form, but I think the key at this point is making sure that you've got some idea about the course and the place that you want to go next year. A few well dones. This has come from PE and Mr. Stafford. So this is for Daniel, Billy, Alex and Melissa, doing some great work in their coursework, getting themselves, getting that in and getting that prepared. So well done to those 4 students. As always, there's that email address if you need anything. And I just want to finish on this last slide here, and it's around that date of June the 21st, and that's the date that the government has given for things to go back to normal, that restrictions will be lifted if everything goes to plan, and our lives will go back to pretty much the way they were before March 2020. And I think it's important for you to sort of bear that date in mind, because you're just about to going to finish school around then. And what you will have is a really long summer holiday. And I'm hoping that holiday will be one without restrictions, one where you can make plans, where you can travel, where you can catch up with family and friends, and a life without those restrictions. I think it's getting the balance right between thinking about this date, although it's not too distant. There's a lot that needs to happen before that, and for you in year 11, that lot is around making sure that you get the best grades possible. But just on top of the horizon, you can see that date, and I know how great that will be to be able to look at that date and think of the two things. School is done. I've worked as hard as I can. I know what my results are going to be. I look forward to getting those. And then secondly, getting back to life with some sort of normality and where there aren't any restrictions. I will see you all very, very soon. I'm looking forward to welcoming you back. And as always, keep in contact if you need anything. And I will see you all very, very soon. Thank you.